Following the collapse of the Provisional IRA ceasefire over the...
You are considered guests. Coalition Provisional Authority.
Right, perhaps. We could moot a provisional...
That'll be a provisional appointment, of course, till James recovers.
A cover girl dog. Nestron.
Provisional liberty based upon insufficient evidence.
Provisionally
Begin
speaking.
formal training and organization of the Provisional Army.
Coalition Provisional Authority hereby dissolved.
Order of the Provisional Government. You'll have to try, friend.
Troops have entered the Ardoyne area of West Belfast following the collapse of the Provisional IRA ceasefire over the weekend.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Civilians have been evacuated.
While here, you are considered guests. Coalition Provisional Authority. Refusal to cooperate.
Contract for the event of the fucking season!
Right, perhaps. We could moot a provisional SAM as a basis for ongoing negotiation.
Appointing Ryan the acting deputy director, intelligence. That'll be a provisional appointment, of course, till James recovers. I want you to get him up to speed on our aid program to the...
I got him because he was so ugly, nobody else wanted him. Now look at him, he's like a cover girl dog. Nestron, that's my provisional dog.
Why provisional?
It's a very nice custom they have here in France. Provisional liberty based upon insufficient evidence. But alas, that may not last long for me.
Weeks ago. And I haven't heard anything.
Well, provisionally speaking, we're extremely limited as to footwear.
Immediately with the Corps of Cadets to camp instruction to begin formal training and organization of the Provisional Army for the defense of the Commonwealth of Virginia.
Military forces. Coalition Provisional Authority hereby dissolves the entirety of Iraq's military and paramilitary...
How soon are they showing symptoms after contact?
The provisional government currently considers northern Minnesota to be potential...
Have you recorded any instance where a...
I can't deal with this.
Order of the Provisional Government. You'll have to try, friend.
You even ask my people to accept Allied money. Yet, as president of the Provisional Government, only I can issue currency. You say local administrations will stay in place?
We're in a state of crisis. An epidemic of blindness has broken out, provisionally known as the white sickness.
U.S. officials have asked Hong Kong to detain the former contractor on a provisional arrest warrant. Snowden had been in Hong Kong since May.
And the younger, more radical street fighting element, the provisionals. This is the front line, boys. Catholics and